अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। क्लास 4th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, पेज नंबर 82, लेसन नंबर 7, रॉबिन हुड। Robin Hood's fame spread far and wide among the people of every class. Everyone knew who he was and what he did. The common people had made him their hero. Once Robin Hood and his friends were sitting under a tree in a forest. They were enjoying themselves, eating bread and butter. All of them were in a slight mischievous mood. Suddenly they saw a man coming towards them. Robin said, "I think this fellow is a young miller." By this time the man had come so near that they would see him clearly. His clothes were dusted with flour. He carried a great sack of meal on his back. As the man neared, Robin Hood's escort surrounded him, pretending to be robbers. "Beware," said the man. "Let me tell you that you are on Robin Hood's land. If he finds you seeking to probe an honest craftsman, he will punish you." The warning, however, didn't push the scores back. The man then put his sack down and kneeled on the ground. As he opened his bag, all the scores moved forward to see what he had.